Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining the problem on inventor's claim. So let's get started. Now here is the question in front of us. It is given, an inventor claims that a new heat cycle will develop 400 watts. Now whatever is given here, I'll write that in the form of data. So it means that an inventor has made a new heat cycle, also called as the heat engine, which is developing 400 watts. So developing 400 watts means it is power, or we can say the amount of work which is produced by the engine. So that is 400 watts. I'll denote it by W dot. Then for a heat supply of 35.5 kilojoule per minute, so the amount of heat supplied, I'll denote it as Q1 dot. Now why I had denoted it with a dot, it means that it is based on time. So if the value would have been only 35.5 kilojoule, then I would have written it only in terms of Q1. But since it is based on time, that is kilojoule per minute, so I am putting a dot here, so that indicates the value in time basis. If it would have been in kilojoule per hour or per second, then also it would have been in terms of time basis. That is, we have to show the value with a dot. Now I would be converting it in terms of kilojoule per second, that is 35.5 divided by 60. So it would be kilojoule per second, and kilojoule per second is kilowatts. So the answer is, it is 591.67, or I can say that it is 0.5916 kilowatts. And now, since work is in terms of watts, so I have to convert this value in terms of watts. So multiplying this by 1000, and it gives me the answer as 591.6 watts. And so for these conditions, that is, the inventor has developed an engine which is producing a power of 400 watts by taking in heat of 591.6 watts. So we have to check whether whatever he is claiming, is it true or not. So for that, I'll explain it into the solution part. In the question, it is given that the source is at 850 Kelvin and sink at 200 Kelvin. So source is denoted by T1, the higher temperature reservoir, 850 Kelvin, sink of 200 Kelvin, low temperature reservoir, and this is the engine of the inventor which is taking in heat Q1 dot of 591.6 watts. Then it is rejecting some heat which is Q2 dot, and in that it is producing a work of W dot which is Q1 dot minus Q2 dot. So first I'll find the efficiency of the inventor's engine, that since the efficiency of inventor's engine is given by the general formula of efficiency, which is output upon input. In case of an engine, the output is the amount of work produced, which is W dot. Input is the heat which is supplied, that is Q1 dot. So therefore the efficiency would be, now W dot is given, it is 400 watts, Q1 dot is 591.6. So therefore the efficiency of inventor's engine, it comes out to be 0.6761, or I can write down, therefore the percentage efficiency would be, multiplying with 100, so it is 67.61%. keeping it as equation first. So this is the efficiency of the inventor's engine. Now, how his claim would be true or false, that depends on the Carnot efficiency, because working between the same temperature limits, Carnot engine is that engine which will be developing the maximum amount of power and also having the maximum amount of efficiency. So if we want to compare any engine with the Carnot engine, that will give us the identification whether the claim is true or if it is false. It means we have to calculate the efficiency of Carnot engine. So after that I can say that since between the same temperature limits, the efficiency of Carnot engine is given by source temperature minus sink temperature divided by the source temperature. It is 0.7647, or the percentage efficiency would be multiplying with 100, so that is 76.47%, and that would be the second equation. Now remember, whenever we have to compare any kind of engine, its efficiency, or we can say the thermal efficiency, would be compared with Carnot, because Carnot engine working between the same temperature limits will give us the maximum efficiency. So here when I see that Carnot efficiency is 76.47, so the inventor's efficiency should always be less than the Carnot efficiency, because if this efficiency of inventor's engine is greater than Carnot, it means the claim is false, because between the same temperature limits, Carnot engine will give us the maximum efficiency. So I can say that after comparing equation 1 and 2, the claim of the inventor is true. After comparing equation 1 and 2, it means the efficiency of the inventor's engine is less than the efficiency of Carnot engine working between the same temperature limits. So whatever the inventor is claimed, that is, he has developed an engine which is producing a work of 400 watts, taking in a heat of 591.6 watts. So that claim is true. So that was the end of the problem. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.